students, welcome back to my channel. So let's continue the 5th chapter Arithmetic Progressions, exercise number 5.1. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. The first one is, this is exercise number 5.1, question number 3. The first one is 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3. So here we know which is the first term. The first term is 3. And how we will find the common difference? Common difference is d is equal to second term minus first term, which is second term here is 1 minus 3, first term is 3, which is equal to minus 2. So the common difference is d and the first term is a. Let's see the next question. Similarly, we need to find the first term and the common difference. So first term is minus 5, negative 5. First term equals to minus 5, and common difference, which is second, equals to second term minus first term, which is minus 1 minus minus 5. That will be plus 4. The common difference is 4. Next one, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. So let's see, the first term equals to, first term here is 1 by 3, and common difference, which is equals to second term minus first term, which is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is 4 by 3. So the common difference is 4 by 3. Next question, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 and 4. So the first term here is, first term is 0.6, and common difference equals to second term minus first term. We can find the common difference by subtracting any of the consecutive terms from the preceding term. By subtracting the succeeding term and preceding term. So here second term is 1.7 minus 0.6 will give you 1.1. So the common difference here is 1.1. Next question, question number 4. Which of the following are APs, and if they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So we need to see whether these series are in a form of AP, or if they are in AP, then we need to find the common difference and we need to write the next 3 more terms of the AP. So the first one is 2, 4, 8, 16. So here we know the common difference is, let's see the difference between each number. So the first one, A2, which is second term minus A2 minus A1, which is 4 minus 2 equals to how much? 2. The second one, A3 minus A2, which is 8 minus 4 equals to 4. A4 minus A3, which is 16 minus 8 equals to 8. So here we can see this is the common the difference between two consecutive numbers is not same. So this doesn't form an AP. So this series is not a form of arithmetic progression because the difference between two consecutive terms are not fixed. It's not constant in this series. So we can say this is not an AP. Let's see the next question. Next question is 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2. So we need to see whether this form an AP, and also we need to, if that forms an AP, we need to write the next 3 more terms of this AP. So the first one is, we need to see whether the difference between each consecutive terms are constant. So the first one we can see A2 minus A1, which is 5 by 2 minus 2, which is 1 by 2, which is 5 minus 4 by 2 equals to 1 by 2, correct? Secondly, let's see A3 minus A2, which is 3 minus 5 by 2, which will be 6 minus 5 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. Third one we have A4 minus A3, which is 7 by 2 minus 3, which will be 7 minus 6 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. So here we can see the difference is common, it is constant. So this forms an AP. This forms an AP. This forms an AP, and we need to write the next three terms of the same. So that will be the fifth term will be A5 will be 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 8 by 2, which is equals to 4. A6 will be 4 plus 1 by 2. So that will be 8 plus 1 by 2, which is 9 by 2. A7 will be 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 10 by 2 equals to 5. So the next three terms will be 4, 9 by 2 and 5 in this AP. Let's see the next question. Minus 1 by 2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2 and minus 7.2. So let's see if the difference between each consecutive terms are common. So then we will see whether it is an AP. A2 minus A1 equals to minus 3.2 minus minus 1.2, which is equals to 3.2 minus 1.2. So that will be 2. Correct? Plus 1.2. Yeah. Secondly, we have A3 minus A2, which is minus 5.2 minus minus 3.2, which is also 2 again. Then A4 minus A3, which is minus 7.2 minus minus 5.2, which is also, so I think this is minus 2, minus 3.2 minus plus that will minus 2, and here is also minus 2. Right? So now what is the next? We can see the difference between each consecutive terms are common. It is constant. So this forms an AP. This forms an AP. And we need to write the next three terms. So that will be minus 7.2 plus minus 2. So that will be minus 9.2. That will be A1, 2, 3, A5. A5 equals to A5. Then A6 will be minus 9.2 plus minus 2, which is equal to minus 11.2. A7 will be minus 11.2 plus minus 2, which is minus 13.2. So the next three terms of the series is minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Okay, let's see the next question. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and go on. So let's see the difference between each term. So first one, A2 minus A1, that is minus 6 minus minus 10. So that will be minus 6 plus 10, so that is 4. Second one, A3 minus A2, so that is minus 2 minus minus 6, so that is again 4. Then A4 minus A3, which is 2 minus minus 2, that is also 4. So we know, we can see all the difference between each consecutive terms are equal, its constant is fixed. So this forms an AP. This forms an AP. Let's write the next three more terms of the series. So which is A5 equals to A4 plus common difference, which is 2 plus 4 equals to 6. A6 will be 6 plus 4 equals to 10. A7 will be 10 plus 4 equals to 14. So the next three terms of this A series is 6, 10, 14. Let's see the next question. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So let's see the difference between each term. So first one, A2 minus A1, which is 3 plus root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Sorry. 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So that is root 2. Second one, A3 minus a2, which is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So that is again root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2, 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2 is again root 2. And next one, a4 minus a3, which is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. So that will also give you root 2. So we can see the difference between each consecutive terms are equal. It's fixed. So this forms an AP. This series forms an AP. Now let's write the next three terms of the series, which is a5. A5 will be 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. Correct? A6 will be 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2, which is 3 plus 5 root 2. A7 will be 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2, which is equals to 3 plus 6 root 2. So the next three terms of this AP are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. We have few more questions, 10 more questions from the same exercise. Let's continue that in the next video. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.